Are you looking for the best Skywalker trampoline? The trampoline category remains a perennial favorite for family-friendly outdoor activity and indoor space-saving play when weather or space is a constraint. A well-designed unit can deliver years of safe, bouncy exercise, coordination development for kids, and even casual athletic training for teens and adults. In this review, I systematically compare 5 Skywalker and related models that span a price range from budget-friendly mini trampolines to feature-rich round units with enclosures.
Product number 1. 12 feet round trampoline. Overview. This Skywalker trampoline's 12-foot round model emphasizes safety with a patented no-gap enclosure design, plus a robust weather and rust-resistant galvanized steel frame. It features reinforced T-sockets at each leg and enclosure joint, and a spring pad plus UV-protected enclosure net designed for outdoor use. With a maximum user weight of 275 pounds per ASTM standards, it is positioned as a family-friendly recreational unit with an included basketball hoop for added play value. Performance and user experience. The no-gap enclosure reduces pinch points and net openings, a critical factor for households with younger children or frequent multi-user sessions. The UV protection on both the net and mat helps longevity in sun-exposed yards. While the price is not listed, the engineering points, steel frame, T-socket reinforcement, and 72 springs suggest a stable, consistent bounce with durable spring coverage. The included basketball hoop adds a social play element, though it can introduce additional stress on the frame at high use. Assembly and service life will depend on proper tightening of enclosure joints and routine checking of spring pad integrity, especially in climates with heavy UV exposure or temperature cycling. Product number 2. 10-foot, 12-foot, 14-foot, 15-foot, 16-foot. Overview. The Gigu 10-foot version in this lineup is part of a broader range that includes 10, 12, 14, 15, and 16-foot options, all with enclosure nets, ladder, and anti-rust coating. The frame uses galvanized steel with U-leg design and a black protective coating to enhance rust resistance. It carries CPSIA and ASTM F381-16 safety certifications, and the jumping mat is UV and fade resistant with reinforced stitching for durability. Performance and user experience. The Gigu unit emphasizes safety and durability with curved poles wrapped in high-density foam to reduce pole-to-jump area proximity risk. The high-tensile galvanized springs deliver a responsive yet controlled bounce, and the enclosure net and ladder improve accessibility and safety for younger users. The product line's emphasis on safety certifications and weather durability makes it an appealing option for households seeking long-term outdoor use with straightforward maintenance. Users should consider the total footprint for larger sizes, 12 to 16 feet, and ensure anchoring suitability for windy environments.
Product number 3. Mini trampoline with overview. This Space Explorer mini trampoline from Skywalker Trampolines targets toddlers and young kids with a compact 48-inch frame, enclosed net, and a 360-degree padded handlebar for stability. The design integrates a space-themed jump mat and a sound box, creating an educational and engaging play experience. It is designed to support indoor use primarily, with a 100-pound maximum weight rating and a 3-year limited frame warranty. Performance and user experience. The 48-inch size plus 30 springs yield a gentle, low-height bounce appropriate for toddlers and early childhood development. The 360-degree handlebar provides essential balance support and safety for new jumpers. Given the indoor orientation, ease of storage and quick setup are notable benefits. The unit's educational features, space sounds, add value, but may require batteries and maintenance. Overall, it is well suited for living rooms or playrooms where space is constrained and safety is paramount. Product number 4. Mini trampoline with overview. Identical core spec to product 3, this listing represents another SKU of the same Space Explorer 48-inch mini trampoline.
It maintains the same safety features, 360-degree handlebar, educational space-themed mat, and 100-pound weight limit, with a consistent 3-year frame warranty. The repeated model underscores Skywalker's push in the mini trampoline segment. Performance and user experience. As with Product 3, this mini trampoline is best for indoor use and very young jumpers, offering a safe, compact solution with engaging features. The consistent product attributes mean interchangeability in decision-making for consumers who value a specific design language or who may find pricing differences across listings. Expect similar setup times, maintenance needs, and user experiences as described for Product 3.
Product number 5. Mini trampoline with enclosure. Overview. This listing mirrors the Space Explorer 48-inch mini trampoline, reaffirming Skywalker's 48-inch indoor kid-focused option with enclosure, handlebar, space-themed mat, and soundbox. The specifications align with the other mini SKUs, including the 11.16 kilogram weight, 100-pound maximum user weight, and standard warranty terms. Performance and user experience. The uniformity across these SKUs suggests dependable performance characteristics for families prioritizing safety, indoor use, and educational play. While not designed for adults or high-impact use, the unit excels at early development milestones, balance training, and engaging play. Consumers should consider whether the 100-pound limit aligns with their child's age and weight trajectory before purchase.